せーの。ちゃちゃつぼちゃつぼ。ちゃつぼにはふたがない。ふたがない。ふたがないからしめよ。茶々壺. Cha means tea. Tsubo means vessel. So Chatsubo means the vessel to store the tea leaf. So茶々壺, you have to make a vessel with your hand. So this is the side part, make a circle, and with other hand you can make a bottom part like this. So now you could make a vessel like this. So for this song, you have to switch this side part and bottom part at the next moment. Cha, cha. So now this is the side part and this is the bottom. Tsubo, cha, tsubo. Cha, tsubo ni wa. Chatsubo ni wa. As for the tea vessel, futa ga nai. It don't have a flap. Futa ga nai. It don't have a flap. ふたがないから because there is no flap. shimeyo. shimeyo means let's close it. So at the really end, you have to move the bottom part to the top part like this to make a flap. So now you could close it with your flap. But something funny about this song, you got a flap now, but now you have no bottom. Let's do it a little bit faster. ちゃちゃつぼちゃつぼ。ちゃつぼにはふたがない。ふたがない。ふたがないからしめよ。Let's do it as fast as possible now. ちゃちゃつぼちゃつぼ。ちゃつぼにはふたがない。ふたがない。ふたがないからしめよ。One more time. ちゃちゃつぼちゃつぼ。ちゃつぼにはふたがない。ふたがない。ふたがないからしめよ。ちゃちゃつぼちゃつぼ。ちゃつぼにはふたがない。ふたがない。ふたがないからしめよ。